Are you an Anglophone eager to dive into the French language? Look no further than Beginning French Language, a systematic guide for the Anglophone learner by Renée Ezinné Awa. Designed to take you from beginner to confident speaker, this comprehensive guide simplifies the complexities of French and offers a structured approach for easy learning. Whether you're learning independently, in a classroom setting, or as part of a school or college program, this book will be your trusted companion throughout your journey. What's inside? Engaging dialogues and vocabulary. Start your French journey with real-life dialogues and a wide range of vocabulary that equips you to engage in various scenarios, from greetings to everyday conversations. Clear and concise grammar tips. French grammar is demystified through easy-to-follow sections, practical listening and comprehension exercises, interactive structural exercises, workbook and solutions, mini dictionary, step-by-step progression. With Beginning French Language, you'll not only learn grammar and vocabulary, but also gain confidence in your ability to converse fluently in French. Each section has been meticulously designed to guide you step by step, with a focus on making learning as engaging and simple as possible. Why choose this book? This updated edition of Beginning French Language is the perfect companion for learners seeking a comprehensive yet approachable resource to master French at their own pace. To get your copies of Beginning French Language today, please click on the links in the description. Thanks for watching.